Next, we will dive into basic words for daily conversations. At the very beginning, learn some daily words that are high frequently used can build our confidence. It will be more fun if you try to speak it out with native speakers, like this. Hello, 你好. Wow, you can speak Chinese. 一点点, I just started learning Chinese. Great job. You are doing a very good job. 加油! Everyone loves this thing, don't they? It is here to help you become a master of the most common words in Chinese. We have created a special video called 100 Basic Chinese Phrases for Beginners to help you expand your Chinese vocabulary. Check it out and start building your language skills. Now, let's move on to the last magical tour.